Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Hypex Classes. Today we are going to solve the figure it out question from the chapter angles. We will solve every question step by step. So let's begin. So our first question is identify acute, right, obtuse and right angles in the previous figure. Step first group. In the first group, all the angles are less than 90 degree. These are the groups and all angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, these are acute angle. What is the definition of acute angle? The angle less than 90 degree is said to be as acute angle. Okay. So second group is in the second group the angle are exactly 90 degree. Therefore, these are right angles. 1 2 3 4 5 figures, they are all angles are 90 degree, exactly 90 degree. So therefore these are right angles. So second group is right angles. Come on, third group. In the third group the angles are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So we read definition, the angles who greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, they are called obtuse angle. So therefore they are obtuse angle. So third group is obtuse angle. So our final answer is these. Here is group and here is type. So here is first group. In first group, acute angle. Second group, right angle. And third group, obtuse angle. So these are the final answer. So remember, acute is less than 90 degree and right angle is equal to 90 degree and obtuse is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay. So our second question is, make a few acute angle and a few obtuse angle, draw them in a different orientation. So an acute angle is always less than 90 degree. We can draw in any direction. Example 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Okay. So here is a acute angle. Next, few obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So example is I cannot draw on this page because I have no divider. So I give examples. Okay. So example is 20 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, etc. Okay. So important point, here is an important point, whether the angle points upward, downward, left or right, its classification depends only on its measure. So come on, third question. Our third question is, do you know what the words acute and obtuse means? Acute means sharp and obtuse means blunt. Why do you think these words having been chosen? So here is a step-by-step explanation. Acute means sharp. A small acute angle looks pointed or sharp like a tip of pencil. Here is a example. Just like acute angle is less than 90 degree. So here is the tip like a pencil. So acute means sharp. Okay. Obtuse means blunt. Here is a obtuse angle. Example of obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means blunt. It's look like wider and less pointed. This is very wider and like a blunt object. Okay. So it means blunt. Here is the reason for chosen acute and obtuse angle name. Okay. So our final answer क्या है? These words were chosen because the appearance of angles resembles the meanings of these words. Acute angle look sharp while obtuse angles look blunt or wide. Okay. So here is our fourth question. Find out the number of acute angle in each of the figure below. Here is our figure. We have to find numbers of acute angle. Okay. So here a triangle has 3 corners. In this figure, all the 3 angles are less than 90 degree. An angle has 3 corners. Every corners are angle less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Therefore, acute angle is 3. In figure first, in figure first, 3 acute angle. In figure second, let's count the acute angle carefully without counting the same angle twice. Okay, so top angle 1, bottom and left angle 1, bottom right angle 1, bottom middle angle 1, bottom right angle 1. So total 4 acute angle. Next figure 2 में 10 figure 2 is equal to 10 angles. Okay, yeah, 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angle, 5 angle, 6 angle, 7 angle, 8 angle, 9 angle and 10 angle. Okay, simple. So in figure 2 total 10 acute angles is the right answer. Okay, come on the figure 3. In figure 3, here is a pattern. In pattern, a triangle is in triangle like figure. Okay, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So a total 20 figures in this figure, 20 acute angle in this figure. In this triangle only for 10 acute angle, and in this triangle how many acute angle? 10. So 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So how many figures, how many acute angle? 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So total angle in this triangle is in figure 3 is equal to total 19 acute angle. Total 17 acute angle. 17 acute angle. How? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Okay, so there is 17 acute angle. So here is the answer. Pattern is 3 10 17, then 24 acute angle, then 31 acute angle. So every time 7 more than the previous figure. So guys, today we solve all the figure it out questions from angles. The most important things to remember is acute angle is smaller than 90 degree, right angle is equal to 90 degree, obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree but smaller than 180 degree. And in question 4, the number of acute angles follows the pattern 3 10 17 increasing by 7 each time.